All right, we're going to be doing some SQL challenges. Let's start with this one. So, of like the really easy ones, this is all that's left, the weather observation stations. Let's get to it. One of these sequels had like really weird syntax. All right, so we want northern latitudes. So select some Latin where Latin is greater than. Why won't it let me copy paste the number? Okay, where Latin is greater than 38.88 and Latin is less than 137.2345. And let me copy this query because I know in the future we'll have to reference the exact same table. Unknown column sum. Sum of query results. Oh, okay, you just have to wrap in parentheses. No biggie. Unknown column Latin. Huh? Oh, oops, I forgot to write from station. Wow, rookie mistake. And less than. Oh, it says truncate your answer to 4. Okay. MySQL round num to 4. Okay, it's because I didn't round. Select round. Okay, so I'll just gotta add the sum inside a round. Wow, a lot of nuances. And then we'll do comma 4. And then this should be the correct query. Knock on wood. MySQL syntax seems pretty common. I'm more used to Snowflake, which I'm pretty sure is very, very, very similar. All right, nice. We got this. Okay. Oh, did I not? I didn't submit it. Nice. Woohoo, top 400K. Just not that impressive. Query the greatest value. Okay, it's just round max instead of sum. And then you just get rid of this parameter here. I'm not even going to run it. I'm very confident in that query. Yep. So what we did here is basically you can use these functions. So I'm assuming there's max, min, sum, average, median on this column. And then we round it to 4 decimal places. That's the round here. And then this is the where we define the bounds they want, which is the northern latitude is less than 137. Okay. Nice. 3 more left. Query the western longitude for the largest northern latitude station that is less. So we're just going to do this. And then instead of selecting the northern latitude, we're just going to select the western longitude. Oh, oops. This is the original query. This has additional logic that we don't need anymore. Yeah. In station that is less. Expected output. Okay. Oh, oops. I put sum because this is from the original query. It should be max. If we didn't get rid of the other logic, in theory, it should still work because that's a lower bound. So it gets rid of things that are too low. Okay. Why are we failing? Let's run the code. Let's see what we're delivering. Your output 164. For the largest northern latitude. Oh, it's selecting the max of northern longitude. Okay. Okay, so the first thing is we don't want the max here. So we have to somehow combine these two. So where northern latitude is less than that, do where let's comment this out, and where how do you comment in this? What is the single line comment syntax? I guess I'll never find out. So I'm gonna comment the of max longitude. We're gonna get rid of the max from there, where lat_n MySQL put query inside where. So basically we're doing a subquery. So where lat_n is less than this, and well, actually we can just do one subquery where lat_n is equal to the max value of lat_n's that are less than that. So where column 1 equals select blah blah blah. So where lat_n equals select lat_n from station where lat_n is less than that. So basically, we're grabbing where lat_n is less than this bound to fulfill this. Oops, there's two semicolons. And then we set where lat_n is equal to this, and then we grab the long W value, which is what we actually want. Subquery returns more than one row. Oh, right. Oops, forgot to put that max in there. Makes all the difference. So basically, we find the max of latitude that meets the condition, and then we select the long W where latitude equals that subquery. Let me copy paste this. Might be needed later. Actually, let's just copy paste all of it. We don't know what we need. That one was very nice. Like, query the smallest northern latitude. Oh, okay, this one doesn't require anything complicated. Select round, minimum, northern latitude is greater than 38.778. Feel pretty confident in just submitting that. Runtime error. Why am I getting a runtime error? Oh, because of the comment? Guess you don't like that. Yep, so select the smallest lat_n where... Oh, the last challenge is going to be another one. Oops, I don't want that tab. Let me go back, because the next challenge is definitely going to be one that's very similar to 15 where you need a subquery. That's my guess. Yup, exactly. They want it's a combination of the two. So let's delete that comment. So where lat_n equals, then you just change this to min, lat_n from station, where it is greater than 38.778. And this should work. This is basically the same as, I think it was 15, that was the number, where basically you're selecting a different column and then using a subquery to get the match you want here. And that's